Black Lives Matter protests are not the only demonstrations going on in Portland. The city is home to a large Ethiopian community. Today, they marched in solidarity with other Ethiopian immigrants all over the U.S. They're trying to draw attention to what's happening in their homeland. Hundreds killed and thousands arrested in a fight over human rights. Catherine Cook reports.
No more! We say no more!
In a time when protests happen almost daily in Portland, this group doesn't want to be overlooked.
And we're out here seeking justice for our people peacefully.
Most of these Oregonians, including Gamachis Achimila, are from Ethiopia, specifically the country's Oromo ethnic group. They want others to know what's happening as their people fight for human rights.
The killings, the arrests, the internet shut down, telephones shut down, and we're just fed up with what's going on.
I am honored to be here with you today.
At the heart of it, Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed.
To a peaceful resolution of the border dispute between Ethiopia and Eritrea.
He recently delayed democratic elections and has been operating military posts in the Oromo region. Late last month, the Oromo people's oppression reached a fever pitch when Oromo musician and activist Hachalu Hundessa was assassinated. Since then, more than 200 people have died. The Oromo accused the prime minister of targeting the singer, who spoke out against him just days before his death.
And this is just a systemic operation. What we understand right now is that there is a civil war going on in Ethiopia.
This is the second time Portland's Oromo community has protested publicly. Here they are last week, marching over the Burnside Bridge. They plan to continue protesting until everyone understands their plight.
We want them to listen to us. We are taxpayers in Oregon. Most of us here are healthcare workers. We're people who contribute to the community.
The Oromo community is asking Oregon lawmakers to pull all support for Ethiopia during this time of unrest. A member of the Oromo community shared an email they received from Senator Jeff Merkley's office. It said someone from his foreign affairs policy team would be happy to meet with them virtually next week. Merkley's office confirms they've been in touch. Those here say they welcome all support as they fight for their loved ones thousands of miles away.
Join us in our peaceful protests, emailing, tweeting the senators and the representatives. Reach out, please, we're bleeding.
In Portland, Catherine Cook, KGW News.